Light is the soul of this home, a gentle guide that weaves through each thoughtfully crafted space, sculpting experiences that touch the heart. Welcome to 1820 Spring Mountain Road. As you approach, the allure of a private stone courtyard leading to a dramatic 7-foot pivot front door captures your imagination. The hand-forged pergola whispers a tale of craftsmanship, while the interplay of light creates a dance on stone and metal that's nothing short of mesmerizing. The great room is etched in the shimmer of light installations against the 14-foot ceilings. The floor-to-ceiling marble fire surround, an anchor for the expansive dining space, basks in a radiant glow, adding warmth and depth. The kitchen has a 12-foot marble island, premium Miele appliances, and handcrafted cabinetry. Here, light isn't just functional, it's an essential ingredient, adding a golden hue to the neutral tones and metallic finishes, creating an atmosphere that invites connection. Retreat to the primary haven, where an organic, collected sanctuary awaits. The glass-enclosed wet room and freestanding soaking tub craft a serene mood, a personal spa moment redefining luxury. Whisper Homes designed this property with luxury, style, and technology in mind. From the built-in Nest security and thermostat, Ring video doorbell, Savant touchscreen interface, Sonos sound system, Lutron light switches, to the Tesla solar roof tiles that produce and store clean energy for decades to come. This home steps into the future as a true smart home. Through the extensive use of 9-foot LaCantina doors, light acts as an invisible hand, leading you to the outdoor living spaces. Elevated bamboo decking, a sleek lap pool and spa, and the promise of countless alfresco dinners at the outdoor kitchen offer privacy and tranquil relaxation. At 1820 Spring Mountain Road, light doesn't just illuminate. It defines a lifestyle. Welcome to a place where the ease of wine country living meets modern luxury, where light crafts the narrative of your everyday. It's time to relax, to indeed come home.